When I gain weight, this is where I have problem with this side of my body, and I really like the way it feels. Like when I put this on, I had to do like some squats on it. Hi guys, it's again Amy. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with no makeup. This is my bare face, no makeup today. So today I want to hear and come and show you guys some Bershka haul. If you live in Holland, you know the Bershka. So I told you guys on my last vlog that I was looking for trousers because your girl has gained a couple of weight and all my jeans are not fitting anymore. And if I have like 2 more jeans that fits me, but this one because of they're very stretchy and they're very itchy, so uncomfortable. When I took it off, I feel like I'm in heaven because it feels so good when I take it off because it's so tight. So on my last vlog I told you guys I went to Utrecht and I went to the Bershka there, and I was thinking, oh, I've gained weight, maybe the trouser size 38 will fit me. So I picked up 3 38 different ones, and I went to the Pascama, to the passing room to test the trousers. And yeah, I went there. There was a long line. Went there, I stand in the whole line with the kids, go to the testing room, and the trousers couldn't even get up my leg. And I was like, really, this is how much weight I have gained? And I've been telling myself all the time, you know what, let me just go and do some exercise, work out a little bit, so that, you know, just to keep my body in shape. But then when I'm sitting down eating my pan and yam with ogusi soup and ogbono soup, I'm just telling myself, I beg, who like me, who not like many person come out. That's just how I tell myself. Like at first I'm like, oh, I'm going to exercise, I'm so going to exercise today. But as soon as I'm eating my favorite food, I'll be like, Charlie, I beg, who not like me, not like me, who like me, go like me as a day. I beg, I don't know why, I'm not shaking, my person eats. So I'll just eat the food and just tell myself that, and I'll just sit down there and just eat. And I'm like, you know what? So I went to the Bershka and I picked up 3 jeans. I picked up size 40. Yes, this is how your girl size 40. You can't see, like you can see on my face. If you guys have watched my old videos, like when I first started this channel, you guys can see I was like, you can see my collarbones. But like right now, I'm feeling myself. I don't really want to lose that lot of weight. I like my body the way it is right now. I mean, like I am in a good place of my life right now where I don't mind. I like the way I look. So I went to pick up 3 jeans by the Bershka, and they were on sale. So yeah, your girl didn't spend. I'm not a jean kind of person, but I like to have like few jeans, especially when you're with the kids, you want to go somewhere active with the kids. It's always nice to put on some nice and comfortable jeans. So I picked up 3 jeans and I'm going to show you guys how this jean looks on me. So first let's talk about this one that I picked up first. I picked this one from the Zara. It's like a crunch top. You guys can see her long sleeve. It's a crunch top. I'm not gonna wear this right now, but I'll definitely wear it because it is so hot outside right now in Holland. If you live in Holland, you know the weather is so warm, it's so beautiful. I'm not gonna put this on, but I picked this up. This one was sold for 9-10 euros by the Zara, but I picked this up for 3 euros. It was in sales. They have 1 black and 1 brown, so I decided to go with this. And this one is in medium. I picked medium just because I tested the small and my hand was too tight, so I decided to go for medium. So this is what this one looks like. I'm not gonna put it on. I'll definitely wear this one time. You guys are definitely going to see this on video, but it's too hot right now, so I'm not going to put this on. I just want to show you guys what this one looks like. So that's it. So now let's go to the jean. I picked up 3 jeans, and these jeans were all on sales, okay? And I picked like the high waist jean kind of thing, if you guys understand. So I picked this one, and they're very stretchy. You guys can see they are very stretchy. So this is the jean I picked up. This one is in size 40, yes, and this one was 20 euros, but I picked it on sales for 9 euros, for 10 euros. So this is what this one looks like. It's like a black gray kind of thing. Let me go back and show you guys. You guys can see it is very, very nice, very stretchy. It's an high waist jean. So, and the reason why I buy a high waist jean, your girls is having also a little bit of belly fat. I have been trying to put on some waist trainer, but guy, that thing hurt. The waist trainer really hurt. It's too painful, and when you are eating, you have that thing on, it doesn't feel comfortable. So I'm like I wear it. Okay, no, sometimes, but no, I'm not really consistent with that kind of thing. So this is what this one look like. So now I'm going to wear this and show you guys how this look on my body. So as you guys can see, this is what it looks on me. Like when I gain weight, this is where I have problem with this side of my body. I gain weight like here, my legs, and I really like it kind of feel a little bit I don't know, it is nice, it is stretchy, but it feel a little bit tight here on this side on my leg. It feel a little bit like I don't have a lot of space here, but this was the big size they have in the store, and I was like, you know what, if this is, they have another bigger size, but I was like, no, that one was way too big. That's the reason why I didn't get a lot, because I think if I'm going to gain more weight, then I'll definitely just buy 3. And this is what it looks like. I really like it here. It looks really nice. So let me guys turn back. You guys see the booty, and I really like the way it feels. Like when I put this on, I had to do like some squats on it so that it stays good. But it looks a little bit tight. But just that the size 40 that they have in the store was a little bit too loose. But I like the way how this one fits, and you guys can see it comes all the way down here. It doesn't really go all the way down, it's just stop here, but I don't mind because I like the way it feels. It looks really nice. It looks really, really nice. It's very stretchy, just that I have to like move on, like, you know, when you wear jeans you have to be doing some squats so that it fits good. But I just like the way it looks. For 10 euros, I'm not complaining. I like the way my body feels in it, and it's high waist jeans, so it hide my tummy. I do have a little bit of a tummy going on, a little bit of a fat, but here, who cares? But this is what it looks like. So you guys can see it is really nice, and it's size 40. So yeah, I really like this one. So you guys have seen how that one looks on me. Like, I'm sweating, my nose is sweating, it is so hot. So then I picked this one. This one is a little bit it looks like the mom jean. This is the mom jean, so it's a little bit like loose, look a little bit bigger. So I really like how this one look in the store. It looks a little bit looser, it's not that tight like this one. This one is like the mom jean, and I really like how it looks. This one also retails for 10 euros. It was also 20 euros. I bought it on 10 euros, and this also is size 40, and which I really, really like. So it looks good, and it also have this knee cut. Sometimes, you know, when you're running with the kids, I wish that they had the same cut also on the other knee, because sometimes when you're running, bending down with the kids, and this is really nice. So this is like the mom jean. This is a little bit bigger, a little bit looser. So I really like how this one looks. So now I'm going to wear this. This is not stretchy, it's not nothing, it's just a normal jean. This one, it looks bigger. When I first saw it at the store, I'm like, this is too big for me. Definitely, I can't definitely pass in this one. But when I put it on, guys, it was okay. So I'm going to put this one on, and I should show you guys how this one looks on my body. So you guys can see this looks bigger, but when I put it on, it's okay. It's just that the waist at the back, it's a little bit looser like this, but if I put a belt, it will be okay. But the waist size, like hair, everything, it fits so nice. It is so comfortable. Like, I don't know, it's really like a mom jean. It is so comfortable. I like the way my body looks on it, and it looks really nice. And I also like the fact that it's high waist, that is like up to my stomach, because yeah, sometimes I don't need to show this belly, you know. And I really like the way it feels. Just I don't like the way it feels in between here, like all this bagginess here, but it's okay. It's a mom jean. It's not a jean that I think if I put some belt, it would be a little bit stretchy like this. But now when I don't put any belt, it's a little bit like saggy here. But the fitting here is really nice. The fitting on my hips is really, it fits really nice. Like this one is so good. There's not even any space anymore. Like it fits so good. And this is also like You guys can see just long hair. Here's my ankle, and it's just stuck right above my ankle. I don't really mind because I don't like when the jean is also super too long. I really like that they have this one, like when you try to bend your knees with the kids, it's really helpful, this one, but they don't have it here, but it's okay. And I really like how this one looks. It looks really nice. It looks really nice. Like, I really like how it looks for 10 euros. Hey, I'm not a jean kind of person, so I thought like getting 3 different jeans, and then you'll be switching around them, because I'm not really like a jean. I'm more into like dresses, so I really don't mind how this looks on me. It looks really nice. You guys can see. So now you guys have seen how those 2 looks on me. So now let's go for the last one. The last but not the least. So this is the blue one. I got like one black and gray, and I got one gray, and I also get this blue one, which I really like. And this is also really nice. This one looks like the black one. The first one I tested, like the kind of same way. This one is also size 40, and I really like it. It's in Europe size 40, in USA size 08. I don't know what that is. It's the size range. And this is also, I really like it. This is what the jean looks like. And I got pockets at the back. I'm not really like, I don't know, I was watching a video where a lady was telling what kind of jeans are fitting, like, I don't know, she was kind of explaining telling what kind of jean you should look for your body type. I'm not really a jean person, so I'm like, you know what, let me just pick whatever I'm gonna pick up. And this one was also on sale. This one also cost 10 euros, so I spent like 30 euros plus the clothes I got from the Zara for 3 euros. So they were all like, I spent like 33 euros, 34 euros I spent on getting all these things, and I really don't mind. So this is the blue one. This is what it looks like. This is also high waist jeans. I really like high waist jeans because it's just like, I don't like the jean that's like all the way down on my waist, because I feel like it just shaped me. I don't like the way it makes my body shape. Like high waist jean is just all the way up, and then you can also wear crunch top sometimes, because I don't like to like show my actually now I don't like to show my belly, because my belly is kind of a little bit like gain some weight, so I don't like to show it. So I don't mind having high waist jean. I can put some crunch top on top of it. It looks really nice. So this is what this one looks like. I really like how it looks like. It looks really nice. So the jeans don't always go all the way down to my foot. Like this will be my ankle, and the jeans will be like just a little bit above my ankle, but I really don't mind, because I don't also like jean that is way too long. I have to fold it. Like if you're wearing a skirt, a heel or a sneaker, I don't like my jean to be way too long. If you can reach to my ankle, I have no problem, but all the way down I really don't like it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So now I'm gonna put this one on and show you guys how this look on me. So this is how this one looks on me. I really like the way it feels. It feels really good. It's not that tight. It's very okay. It's just that it's a little bit tight around this area. This is where my problem is, like my legs. When I gain weight, my legs are getting bigger, and it's a little bit tight there, but it's okay. Like for me to let it fit good, I have to like kind of do some stretches, do some squat, so that it fits really good. But I like the way it looks, but I kind of feel a little bit tight. I feel like when I took it off, it's gonna be like my leg is gonna be like itchy. But yeah, I did they had size 42, and that one was a little bit too big. It was just a little bit too big. It wasn't that fitting. It was a little bit too slappy, and I didn't like it. So I'm like, you know what, let me try this one. And I really like how it fits on my buttocks. I like the way it holds my buttocks. It's just that I had to do like some squashes like this, so that you know you can get your ass fit in really nice. Okay, but I really like how it fits. It fits really nice. It looks super nice, and the same just like all the other jeans. This is my ankle, and this is where the jeans stop, and it's very stretchy. You know, you can yeah, it's very stretchy. I really like how it looks. I'm really gonna try to do like exercise, because this is not. But anyway, yeah, this is how it looks like. So this is everything. This is the last jean. I like this color. I really like this color. Like going out with the kids, I have 3 jeans I can wear, and if I want to invest in buying more jeans, that's not a problem. But for now, I think 3 is okay. And it's just a jean, it's not a top. You can change the top and wear the same jean, so it doesn't matter. But I really like how this one feel like. I can still dance in it. This is what my son will be doing every day. But yeah. So that was it. That's all the gems I picked up. Like my nose is sweaty. Can you guys see my nose? And you guys see the sweat? Like my nose is so sweaty. It is so hot right now in Holland. The weather is so beautiful. Like it's really hot. It's like very burnout. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys do, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share if you guys like this video. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook like page. I'll put all the links in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you guys want to see more video like this, leave a comment below. I'll definitely come back because I also picked up some clothes from AliExpress, which I'll definitely come back and share with you guys. Definitely, because the weather has been so hot and I really don't feel like putting makeup on my face right now because it is really hot. I'm sweaty and I don't want to have makeup on. So I'll definitely come back with another video to show you guys an AliExpress haul. I picked like I think 3 or 4 clothes from AliExpress, and I want to come and share that with you guys. And I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumb up and I hope to see you guys very soon. Vergeet niet te abonneren als je deze video leuk vindt. En vergeet mij niet te volgen op mijn Instagram kanaal, op mijn Facebook pagina. Hoop ik jullie zo snel mogelijk te zien. This is your girl Amy. Doeg! Bye!